Hello everyone, hi guys, this is Hudayriyat and here you'll get all the foods. Look, shot the burgery boutique. I love boutique. They have so many desserts and kushari, and they have I love burgers. We are gonna go there now. Yalla, shushui, come mama. Allah, so busy area this. After that we are going near the sea. There is behind. Come, Shukho. See, we are going to this I love burgers.
Same here.
Yeah, let's go in this one. This is the empty one. I think this is, we call it dome. We are waiting for our order.
Bring food. Bring food. Bring food.
You are hungry? Hello, this is our food. Chuchu, what is your food?
I think it's this.
Can you open your food? This is my burger. This is my burger. And my french fries. I'm not gonna drink Coke. I don't like it.
I want to go.
Shawukhi, open your this one.
This one?
Yup.
Can you just one? Let's.
Say, Nora, this is for you.
Ooh. I want this.
Wow, you got the cheese. You got the toys as well. What is this juice? Don't drink this juice, please.
This is for boys.
Spider-Man, it's okay. Shikha got this doll, and then Jasumi got this Spider-Man. This you give to Fatma, okay? Yeah. Thank you. This is my burger. Looks so yummy. Chuchu, what you say before you eat?
Bismillah.
Jasu, what you say? What you say?
Bismillah.
Good.